So I got Matt from Smartbrew in here, and we're actually doing our first wort transfer. As you can see, Matt's operating the system, dialing in the parameters. He is operating the transfer. So what he does is he's actually transferring the wort into the brain. It then sends it up into the tank. We're going into our fermenter number 3 right here. Fermenter 4, 3, 2, and 1. So now that the pump is timing it up.
It says wort transfer, press confirmed when complete. So when that, we'll just carry on running that through. But when we get to the point where that's basically empty, then you're going to hit confirm. Okay, so there's two ways it'll happen. Either the slow flow, it'll shut off, and then you'll start it again like this. So that'll disappear when. Oh yeah, no, that's pretty good. When it shuts off again because of low flow, this will disappear. So the final thing we'll do is just leave that baggage out. There we are. So now it's shut off because we're basically finished, yeah? So we know that we want to finish the thing. So we'll start it again, reset it, and in 2 seconds it'll come up with this and press confirm.
And that's what shuts the valve.
There we go.
That shuts the valve. What we don't want to do is let it time out, take that off, and because the only way to get to that screen where it says press confirm that it's completed is to get rid of that, start the pump again, and then you suck in air, and the air out here isn't sanitary. The reason that we've sprayed alcohol on everything, we want that to be a closed loop and just start the pump again long enough for it to cycle back and say press confirm. So we're now pretty good to go.
There we
We're
go.
up to our yeast addition skip.
Todd is assembling the float system that goes inside of the tank, and that's how it allows us to get the beer out of the tank. So Todd, what do you got in your hand there?
That's a float with a 300 milliliter piece of tubing. 2.5 feet.
Okay. And it's inside of a sanitary bucket, so the bucket is filled with...
Actually 36 inches.
Sorry.
36 inches. What's the bucket filled with, Matt?
Bucket's filled with a sanitizer solution.
Got it, which is...
Which is basically designed to keep the parts and equipment that you're not using for a tank sanitary while they're in storage.
Okay, what's in the solution?
It's a specific sanitizer that's added to water.
Okay. Got it.
On the chemical name because it changes up a bit. But
Okay.
there'll be a dose rate on the top of that bucket.
Okay.
And every week you'll renew that. Maybe it's not stopping.
Yep.
Gasket
over
the tube,
Got it, okay.
then put it on your receptacle.
There is.
Push them up as high as you can.
Okay.
So put those back. I always assemble those and then spray a bottle.
Yep, yep.
So I sprayed my hands before I went in the bottle.
Okay.
With the bucket around it. So then over here, make sure you spray the hole. So spray your hands again. What you want to do is you want to spray the entire thing. Yellow in first.
Yep.
Into the hole.
Yep.
Just feed it in without touching the hose on anything. Then you have a gasket.
Got it. And then your clamp.
Yep.
which is in the sanitary bucket.
We did this. So there's 3 ball bearings on here.
Got it.
We want one of them to go straight up. 12
Okay.
o'clock.
Got it.
If
Okay.
not, your tap handle will be crooked.
Got it. Okay. All right. Perfect.
Up. So that ball's straight. And if you could do me a favor.
Yep.
I'll spray that.
Yep. Yep.
Well, so much for that yeast.
Did it show up?
Yeah, but it's leaking again.
Shut the.
Look at this thing. Here, look out. Real quick.
Another bucket.
All right.
They never ship packages.
Perfect. All right, so Mike has the first bag in this next brew ready to go. So we've got the bag of the works. He's got it contacted, pulled the pin, turned it. So now he's ready to go. So he says he's. All right, so Matt, he's connected it. You saw it just pump in there. So what he's done is he's taken the hermetically sealed bag of our IPA. So he's got the work stream, pumps it directly into the machine. Just runs right up here, and what we can do is we can actually go up here. You're on the 20%. We're going to switch this over to manual. We're going to do our set point at 50, and enter. All right, so he's just finalized up the first bag he's dropped into the system. Now the pump's just going to run itself. It's going to recognize that the system that's dry. Give it 1 second. And there you go, automatically shut off. So now we're ready to do the second one. Let's see what we got going on so far. So Virgil is putting up the brewery wall right here. So this is gonna turn that into a clean room. He's throwing up, this is gonna be a full height wall all the way around. It's gonna have FRP on the inside, wrapped completely around for a clean room. So what we're gonna do right here is we're gonna have a big TV right here. It's gonna have our coming soon, beers on tap. And then below it's gonna be a massive chalkboard. We're going to carry the theme all throughout the whole wall on the outside. Right here, we're going to have a giant picture window right here, and I got a glass door right here that's going to go in, so people are still going to have a great view of the brewery system itself.